Well, now we're doing question six, June 2015, June, July, paper 2. The question says, question 6 says, in the diagram below, the graphs of f of x equal to sine bx and the g of x is equal to negative cos x are drawn on for negative 90 less than x, lesser than or equal to, no, negative 90 degrees lesser than or equal to x, lesser than or equal to 90 degrees. Use the diagram to answer the following questions. Now, in the previous video, we did answer question 6.1 through 6.3. Now we're going to answer question 6.4 that says, write down the value of x for which sine bx plus cos x is lesser than or equal to lesser than 0 for the given domain. All right, in the previous question, we can see we had sine bx equal to negative cos x has this solution, which is we can move the negative cos x over on the other side of the equal sign, and then we'll have like sine bx plus cos x equal to 0. Now it has this solution, okay, when this equal to 0. But now the question says, okay, we don't want the value for the value where it is equal to 0, but we want when the value when sine bx and cos x is lesser than 0. So it's not about the intersection here anymore, okay? But we want the values where the sum of the function makes 0. So they are somewhere here and there also. So and there also. Now let me, okay, this is not clear enough. Okay, somewhere here, this side, and there this side also. Now I'm going to work out question 6.4 over here. But before we do, let's just represent the same diagram over here. Over here, that's the diagram. So 6.4, we're doing question 6.4. It is given that sine bx plus cos bx is lesser than 0. The values of x. All right. We can see that over here x is between this and this interval. This is why they are lesser than 0. The sum. So we can say that x is element of the interval negative 40, because over here we find it was negative 45 degrees from the previous question. Negative 45, we got that one, negative 45. 2, over here it must be negative 22 because 22.5, and there we had like positive 67.5. Now the interval will be from negative 45 degrees to negative 22.5 degrees. Union, because must take also this part, okay, but this part starts here and then stop there by 90 degrees. So union 67.5 degrees to 90 degrees. So this is the value, the values of x for which this sum is lesser than or equal to 0 degrees. So it can also be written using the interval notation. We can write like negative 45 degrees lesser than x lesser than negative 22.5 degrees or 67.5 lesser than x, because or it will be translated as union. Lesser than 90 degrees. It's lesser than 90 degrees. Thank you.